So you want to go from $0 to $1,000 in affiliate marketing as a beginner? I'm here to help you. What if I told you that I can show you exactly how to do it without having to have an audience, a YouTube channel, an email list, and how to do it fast? Even better, you don't even have to show your face. If you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to make even more money that completely complements this exact method. Listen, once you make your first $1,000 in affiliate marketing, you can simply reinvest that money back into your business, and you can scale it from $10,000 all the way to $100,000. If you stay till the end, I'm going to show you how to make even more money that completely complements this exact method. 4 steps is all you have to follow. Are you ready? Okay. 1, I'm going to show you how to find a good product to promote, because the product is everything. 2, I'm going to show you how to target warm audience that actually wants to buy from you. 3, how to find an affiliate program that would actually be good to promote. And step 4, I'm going to show you traffic that will bring in money and you don't have to come to them. I'm going to show you how they can come to you. This is DropFunnels. This is what I use. So I promote it all the time because I use it all the time. And I used this exact method that I'm going to teach you on promoting DropFunnels, especially when it was in the beginning and people wasn't running ads to it. And I did really good and it got me started. And it can definitely get you started in making $1,000. And I show you this because it's a software. And digital products and software is great to promote because you can refer as many people as you want. And if you're just promoting like one specific product, like on Amazon, I mean, they may have like 4 of those items left, or there's an issue getting it from China or something like that. And also, when you promote software, usually you have recurring revenue. So if you have software, the odds that they're going to need it every single month is kind of likely. If you were to go to g2.com, this is a great place to start off where to find a bunch of different softwares to promote. And I'm going to show you another one, Capterra.com. This is another one. Now I wanted to show you 2 different places, but we're only going to use Capterra in this specific video because I kind of like it better. So let's see what we can find, because we need to find a specific product to promote, and it needs to be a good one. On Capterra, you also probably need to sign up for it, but don't worry, it's free. Now, on software categories, you can go here. But sometimes I'll look for software. So I'll just put software for affiliate or referral software. And if you look at the reviews, like this one has 81, 4.5. And for example, let's say we want to look at PartnerStack. Okay, there's ads. I figured there would be. There's an ad running. Okay, let's look up this one. Platform, ad. Okay, let's look this up. Tracking software and an affiliate program. No ads. Bingo. 20% recurring commissions. Paying customers you refer. 20%. Okay. Okay, on our assets And then this is my affiliate link. Now, let's go over to Google Ads. Now, if you don't have a Google Ads account, you'll want to sign up for one. It's not that hard. But once you get into Google Ads, then if you click this plus button, it's going to start a campaign. Okay, a new campaign. Do me a favor, if you're liking this, do me a favor, just give it a like. Thank you. Okay, we want to do website traffic and search. Campaign name, we'll call it Tap Affiliate. I had to look. TAPFILIT. I've never heard of this before. We're gonna roll with it. And then continue. Get started. Get away. Leave. Okay. We want to do $10. I really don't want to do 20. If you don't have something that's being searched for like a whole lot, then you don't really want to spend a whole lot of money. And to double check, put in 20. Okay, there's a thing called keywords everywhere. I actually have a whole nother video on it. I did it a while back, but it's still cool, still the same. I'll go ahead and I'll add it up here. But if you can go once you, it's just an extension that you can download, but you have to be on Chrome. And go ahead, and if you were to turn that extension on, okay, and then let's go to Google and do TP affiliate. It can kind of tell you the volume that's being searched, you know, SEO difficulty. It's not really the review, long tail keywords. It can come in handy. Again, that's called keywords everywhere. So that'll help you also know on your ad. Usually they'll let you do 10. It's probably the one we picked. Of course. Okay, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Next. Okay, that's fine. Next. Okay, this is keyword suggestions. Enter the website. Now you take, this is your affiliate link that you're going to use to promote, and you'll take it, you'll put it right here. Keywords. Now, if you pay attention down here, see where it says keyword, this is called broad match. Now, what that means is if someone is looking up for Tap Affiliate, then as long as that word is in it and what they're looking for, then that's good enough. And what this means is exact phrase match, like it's exactly has to be like that. It has to, when someone's searching it for it, you know, like I want to buy Tap Affiliate, that's literally what it has to do. And depending on the products, if you're wanting to be more safer, this is more safer because it's exactly what they're looking for. But since this is new to me, we'll go ahead and we'll just do Tap Affiliate. And then if you're not sure, remember how I showed you how to find these keywords? You can use this here. Tap Affiliate. Review, which is not really a review. We're not really talking about the affiliate program. This could be good. Is that 5? 1, 2. Okay, good enough. Good enough. And then go through and put these on everything. Okay. Put your link there. It'll probably just shorten it. Yeah, the ad just says the official name. Display path. Heading 1. Okay, let's go back to when we were looking for it on Google. Oh, there was an ad. That's okay. There's just one. Start with. And if someone is running another ad, you can always I don't really like that. Okay. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Start affiliate marketing, track and grow your own affiliate. Okay. Okay. View ideas. Oh, I like that way better. Oh, okay. This is okay. Conversion tracking. I normally have my own tracking system that I use, but for this video, that's fine. Okay. Publish campaign. And that is it. And then if you want to get, like if you get out and then you want to go back, all you have to do is look at, see, like that one had a low. You can always go back in here later too and adjust it and tweak it. But basically, that's all you do in Google Ads. And this is an awesome way to make your first $1,000 online. Now, you're not going to be able to just go in and automatically go from 1,000 to 10,000. But say if it starts doing good, then the next minute you know, then you can start throwing more money at it. Or you don't have to stop with just like this search term was very small. So then you can go and you can find a whole bunch of other softwares that you want to promote, and you can promote like 5 at a time. And then the money can start coming in, and you literally can get up to thousands of dollars by doing it this way. But by doing it this way, you're going to be more guaranteed to get a warm audience, and you're going to get money in your pocket. But you do have to spend the money for ads, and you have to do the research up front, because you don't want to run ads that tons of other people are running ads to. Guys, I hope you liked this. Do me a favor. I just ask that if you like this kind of content, that you like the video and subscribe. That's it. Also, if you want a more advanced method and you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and stuff just like this, then you're definitely going to want to see the first link in the bio, because it's going to take you, I like to say, you know how you have this one pill that's green and you have the red pill? Well, if you want the green pill and you want to keep going farther down the rabbit hole, then you want the first link in the bio. And hey, if you like this video, then you're going to want to stay and watch the next video that's coming up. And guess what? I'm in it. So guess what? I'll see you there. Bye, guys.